I'm Eric Westrich, and you're watching Startup Show San Diego, a startup TV show about startup companies. And this week, we're here at the Esri User Conference, and we're in the startup zone with Miles Sutherland of GroundVu. Did I get that right?
That is correct.
So, you've got a history of startups, because I know some secrets about that, but tell us, how did you get started in startups?
Yeah, that's a great question. So I previously had worked at Esri and had the fun job of working with early stage companies and startups. So we built a startup program that you can see here. And the reason I got into that was because I was really passionate about entrepreneurs who had wonderful ideas of what they wanted to build and was interested in working with them. And yeah, we decided that it was worth investing in working with early stage companies.
So why GroundVu? Why, of all the things you could have done, why did that grab your attention?
Yeah, so I spent a number of years working on building mobile data collection tools. I worked at Trimble, and then I also worked at Esri on the mobile team. And it was all about collecting information and going out into the field. And so GroundVu is all about using imagery and photos to automate the collection of information. So I was really interested in seeing what we could do to automate it through flying planes, driving cars, flying UAVs if we need to collect photos that can process into data that can be delivered ready to be used in a GIS. It won't automate all of the field collection that needs to get done, but it provides some level of automation.
And so what's the biggest challenge that's been dropped in your lap in making this happen?
Well, we've been bootstrapping the company, so the biggest challenge is really our own ability to take on the right size projects that we can execute on and use to sort of fund the company's growth. So that's been our biggest challenge, is to get involved with the right types of projects.
And what customer result that you've had so far has made you the most excited or the most proud?
Oh, that is a good question. I would say, I mean, all of them I've been super excited about. Some of them, for whatever reasons, we can't really talk about them, but one of the most interesting ones, we took on a 4,000-mile transmission project where we're doing vegetation encroachment in partnership with another startup in the Esri startup program called InspecTools. So that's a really cool one because it's a huge project to do the image processing on. Plus we're working with another early stage company that we're trying to innovate together. So it's not just ourselves, we're collaborating with another entity, which is pretty exciting.
And so when we interview you next year, what are you going to tell me different next year than you're telling me today?
Well, we're a service business right now, but we've got a goal to build a product. So maybe next year we'll be here with a product that we've got some folk who have actually been using themselves to capture this data and leverage in their own business.
Miles, thank you so much for your time.
It was great to see you, Eric. Thank you.
And thank you for watching Startup Show San Diego.